I'm Scott Kuboff, a dental injury attorney with the law firm of Ibold O'Brien. I investigate and prosecute dental claims on behalf of clients who are seriously injured following a dental procedure. To bring a claim against a dentist, there has to be a good mix of liability and damages. Liability is just another way of saying that the dentist did something wrong. Damages are the amount of money you can recover for your injuries, harms, and losses that were sustained as a result of that error. Since these types of claims are very costly to pursue, we need to make sure that the damages considerably exceed those expenses. Otherwise, we're not doing any good for our client if we're unable to put any money into their pocket for the fix or for what they've been through. Often I get asked whether you could pursue a claim against a dentist when you go in for a filling and then shortly thereafter end up needing a root canal on that same tooth. Now remember, we have to get a good mix of liability and damages. As to the liability component, it's not out of the question that a tooth with a deep filling is going to end up needing a root canal at some point down the road. Now, the question of should the root canal have been performed in the first case, well, that's fair. But to get an answer to that question, we would have to obtain your records and send them to an expert for a formal review. This brings us to the damage component and whether or not the damages rise to the level to justify the time and expense. For a tooth that was recently filled and now needs a root canal, it's likely that the costs of litigation would far exceed any damages we may be able to recover. Therefore, it's not the type of claim that I would review. Now, of course, this doesn't mean that other lawyers wouldn't review the claim, and you should call around to see if someone else could assist you. However, in these circumstances, I usually counsel folks to talk to the dentist to see if there's some type of credit that could be provided on their account to pay for the subsequent root canal and crown. If you have a question about a dental claim, by all means, feel free to reach out. You can call me at 440-285-3511, or you can send me an email to scott@iboldobrien.com. And be sure to subscribe to this channel so you can be kept in the loop on Ohio laws.